Hello, Senator. Kumusta po kayo?
Oh, so, okay. Okay tayo ah.
Oo nga, okay nga
diba,
tayo.
nakaraos?
Oo, nakaraos.
Oo.
Isa na lang po.
Naniyawan Diyos dyan. Kagabi, di ba, galing sa Diyos yun, sa katrabaho ng tao natin, di ba?
Oo nga po.
Di ba, yung sasabi ko never give up, never say never, yun. Di ba, katwa, it's, saka play sa unit, although, of course, si Dawit is suffering and some other players, but I think, dun din sa kanila, meron din mga dinaramdam kahit pa paano yung mga yun.
Iranian, opo. Pero kayo, ano naramdaman nyo kahapon? Seeing yung ating victory, boss?
Wow, my gosh, it was amazing, And then the way it went, they were up so much, and then we recovered in spite of. But, walang kapalit yung gamit ng puso di ba? It's just the will. Talagang you never give up. Lamang na yung kalaban, wala kang kakamping masyado. Foul trouble, etc. So, kaya okay yan.
So kayo, boss, teary-eyed din kayo seeing yung victory natin, boss, yung panalo na yan?
Bakit naman hindi? And as I said, let's face it, basketball is one sport for everyone. Kasi, yan parang buhay, merong mga kanya-kanyang trabaho at kailangan magsama-sama kayo, magkaisa kayo. Hindi lang, no one can say this is mine alone. No, this is a team effort. And ang nakakatuwa dyan is the support that is being shown by the public. Yun ang importanteng key dyan. Kung wala yun, wala na tayo. Diba? Kaya maganda. It has unified our people and the cooperation, the giving more than you can give is important na pwede nating, ikatuwa at pagyamanin, di ba?
Opo. Sir, may message po ba kayo sa mga players natin going into the championship match versus Iran mamaya?
Well, the best thing we can tell them is you are doing a good job. The job isn't done yet, although it has assured our entry to the Spain World Championships. What's important is how we perform tonight, because the public would like to see another victory. But not giving our best, don't pressure ourselves too much, but push ourselves to work hard. And the way we did it last night, then, bahala na. Although we have a certain disadvantage on the center area dahil nga nasaktan si Dawit. But one game to go, my gosh. So sacrifice a little or a little more than normal, baka may awa ang Diyos. Saka hindi mo masasabi. That's 40 minutes of basketball play. Basta you do what you have to do, what you plan to do as a team, and do your best, and God will do the rest. Diba?
Opo. Boss, naniniwala po ba kayo, boss, na daig ng malaki puso ang matatangkad na kalaban?
I've said that many times, and then using your head at the right time sa kayong kursunada. Look at those guys, all of them show their best last night, and at the right time. Basta collective effort towards one goal. I've said many times over, mas gusto ko yung player na gano'n, na may puso kaysa yung merong kakayahan, wala namang pakialam, di ba?
Spin.